Today, let's dive into the art of seamless onboarding and integrated payments, a vital aspect for any software company to consider. Seamless onboarding represents a smooth integration of payment systems into your software platform, making the process smooth and almost unnoticed by the user. This approach is key to enhancing user experience and encouraging adoption. First, focus on simplicity. The onboarding process should be straightforward, avoiding any unnecessary steps that could confuse or frustrate your users. The streamlined process reduces the barrier to entry, making it easier for new customers to start using your new integrated offering. Next, consider automation. By automating as many steps as possible in the onboarding process, you not only save time for your users, but also minimize the chance of errors. This efficiency leads to a smoother user experience and can increase customer satisfaction. Personalization is also key and a significant role in seamless onboarding. Customizing the experience to meet the specific needs of each user can make them feel more valued and increase their engagement with your platform. Finally, ongoing support is crucial. Even with a streamlined onboarding process, users might have questions or need assistance. Providing accessible, helpful support ensures a positive experience throughout their journey with your platform. Let's make seamless onboarding a game changer for your software. Embrace simplicity, automation, personalization, and ongoing support to revolutionize your user experience. Don't just add a payment system, integrate it seamlessly to enhance adoption and satisfaction. Let's elevate your customer onboarding experience together.